Let's jump right into the stock market action report today with trader Tim Biggam of Buy Alerts. Tim, what are your 5 keys to trading this market?
Yeah, we'll see. We bounced off those lows in the overall market. The S&Ps held that critical 5,500 level. We'll see if they break out above now overhead resistance at 5,850 or so. Certainly, I think it'll probably be difficult for them to head appreciably higher here. So I think range bound until further notice. We're seeing the 10-year yield also just right in the middle of the range here too, 4% kind of to the downside. The old highs around 4.7% to the upside. So that really leads to a market where you can be more selective, more patient, build positions slowly. So I think a market that really patience will pay instead of, the fear of missing out, which was kind of the market mantra not too long ago.
You have mentioned you don't think the stock market is likely to go higher than what we've already seen this year. Take us how you came to that conclusion.
Yeah, absolutely. I think those highs we certainly saw above 6,000 to use the S&P will hold at least for the rest of the year here, just given kind of valuations generally. Obviously, the back and forth coming out on the political and macro front as well. And we've seen momentum on Mag 7 names absolutely fade. Some of the MAGA names too, certainly post, the election in November have faded as well. So I think it'll be this big range, no change for foreseeable future. So not a bad time to lighten the load on stocks, put it into some of the higher yielding or actually bonds that are still well over 4%. I think you get paid to wait here is a good approach.
What's your trade of the day?
Oil stocks. XLE has seen just continuous repeat call buying. And believe it or not, oil stocks looking like they may break out to new highs here. So I'm kind of following along, buying the underlying shares, selling these very expensive call options, kind of leaning with that call buying. If they break out here, they're poised to, they're at the all-time highs. We'll see if it happens or not, but at least getting richly rewarded for that call sale as well.
Thank you, Tim.
You too, Ange. Take care.